Me, I want what's coming to me.
Oh, well, what's coming to you?
The world, Chico. And everything in it.
How do you go from this tranquility to that violence?
I usually take the Ferrari.
And then one day, just like that.
All right, Dad, what is it we're doing?
We're fixing this piece of shit.
Well, we know that, but what exactly?
We are changing out the steering switch component because it's 30 years old and it stopped working.
All right, stay tuned.
Fucking foot still hurts.
What happened? What happened?
Something spliced into this wire. I'm not sure what it is. That's pretty good. Doesn't even turn.
You need the steering wheel?
No, it doesn't even turn. I mean, it fucked it up.
Oh, fuck. It turns. Look at that, huh? Don't you feel accomplished?
I feel like I almost broke this fucking piece of shit.
So it was what, a $70 part?
$70 part shipped from Japan.
Nice. Wrapped in Japanese newspaper.
Wrapped in Japanese newspaper. Yeah. If only I was a little bit smaller.
A little bit taller.
I could have probably done that a little quicker. But holy shit, I barely even fit in there.
It's all good, baby, baby. It was all a dream.